Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to build DIY plant holders. You need wire hangers, a plier, some fishing line, few cans of foam spray, and a brown spray paint. Let's get started. First off, you need to straighten up the wire hangers into a regular shape. Use a little force to bend the wire hangers into the shape of the nursery pots and twist inside of it to tie a knot. The twists and the knots will secure the plastic pots on the wire. Grab a plier to twist the both ends of the wire to create a spot where you can tie the fishing line. After completing many sets of the wires, grab a brown papers as a backdrop of the foam spray. Please be extra careful while handling the can because the foam is very sticky. Now, carefully spray the foam on top of the wires. You can also create an additional aerial roots on the side of the wires. It will take up to 2 hours for the foam to harden. Personally, I like to create the illusion of branches, so I use brown spray paint to paint the foam. If you prefer a less complex plant holder, you can also shape the holder with a straight line. After the spray paint has dried, normally within 8 hours, you can remove the foam from the brown paper. Please keep in mind that the foam expanded after it was dried, so you need to use a little force to shape the round part of the holders so you can accommodate your plastic nursery pots. The wires was created flat to ensure the best coverage of the foam and painting process, so now you can bend both of the side up to make sure that the nursery pot is the same level while you're hanging it. If you prefer a less complex plant holder, you will also need to bend the bottom part of the holders to accommodate a plastic nursery pot. You can now install the plant holders using the fishing line. The plant holders can accommodate a plastic nursery pots. The goal of this project is to maximize the potential space under the grow lights inside of my greenhouse so I can have more plants. The plant holders are best to use for propagation and smaller size plants. The wires are very flexible but sturdy, so it can hold up to 1 pound of the weight of the pots. I hope you enjoy and could benefit from this DIY plant holders. And please like and subscribe to my channel to see more DIY videos and plant related projects. See you next time in my next video and have a good day.